What is up, you fruit cult sluts, dick riders, former dick riders, LGBT, whatever the fuck you are, guys? I hope you're all having a good Friday night. Hope you've been eating well, exercising well, getting your goals done. I have. I'm really happy with my week. I was really stoked streaming Traveller and Jonas Sunshine and Newly Awakened from America. They're great. So guys, I just wanted to. Moon landings were bullshit, faked, stage stuff, all done in a Hollywood studio because you can't just land an electric car with batteries on the moon and drive around. That's just fucking garbage. Well, guys, I hope I've freaked you out real good with this moon stuff. Have a good night. Love you all, guys. Let's look at some stars.